In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through an alternating supinating bicep curl. So there's a lot going on here, so let's go through every single bit one by one. So firstly, I'm going to have my feet hip width apart. Now alternating means to do one repetition on one side and then the next repetition on the other side. So I'm doing one side at a time. Now supinating means to bring my palm into a palm up position. So currently you can see here, my palms are facing towards each other. So what I'm going to do is I come into the bicep curl, bracing my core, bringing my shoulders back. Notice how I come into that palm up position by rotating the dumbbell. So this would be a bicep curl where I'm doing one side at a time, that alternating style of doing the repetition, and I'm also supinating the dumbbell. So I'm supinating my wrist, bringing it into that palm up position. Notice how my elbows always stay into my side as I do my repetition. I don't want to be bringing them up and swinging the weight like so. Also as well, I'm controlling the weight on what's called the concentric, so the upwards phase of the exercise, as well as really controlling the lowering phase as well, making the bicep work on both parts of the movement.